kids had one last playtime in Hilton Head before we left. Things didn't go according to the plan on our flight to Hilton Head from Atlanta when my G5s failed.
Hey, who wants to say clear prop again?
Me.
Okay,
I was
say it,
prepared for
Kavya.
any potential avionics issues this flight though.
0 statute miles. Sky condition, few clouds at 4,000. Temperature 18. 2.9er. Altimeter, tree 019er. Visual, approach in use. Landing and
The weather
departing
looked
on
good. I
runway
decided to get a
03.
VFR flight
Advise
following to
on initial
Atlanta
contact.
instead of filing an IFR flight plan.
Hilton Head ground, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta at signature with information uniform.
From 66 Romeo Delta, Hilton ground.
Sir, we have information uniform. We're looking for a VFR flight following to Papa Delta Kilo. We're parked at signature.
From 66 Romeo Delta, Roger, I'll put you in for PDK. Runway 3 taxi via Alpha.
Runway 3 taxi via Alpha for November 66 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, squawk 1071 and departure frequency is 125.3.
1071, what's the departure frequency again? 6 Romeo Delta.
Squawk is 1071 and 25.3.
25.3 for 6 Romeo Delta, thank you. Fuel pump on, landing lights on. Tower Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, holding short, runway 3.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, heading to tower, runway 3, clear for takeoff. Turn left on course.
Runway 3 clear for takeoff for 6 Romeo Delta, left on course. $60 knots, rotate. Oh, look at this, Kavya. Beautiful beach. Awesome beach takeoff.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, contact departure.
Contact departure, 6 Romeo, thanks for your help. Departure, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta is departed from Hilton Head, climbing to 4,500.
November 66 Romeo Delta, send departure, Roger, altimeter 3016.
3016 for 6 Romeo Delta.
And 6 Romeo Delta, if you were not ready, your radar contact 3 miles north of Hilton Head.
6 Romeo Delta.
And 6 Romeo Delta, verify you are 3 miles north of Hilton Head, 2,900.
2,900, we're about 3 miles northwest of Hilton Head, 6 Romeo Delta. Do you see any traffic below us?
Thank you. November 6 Romeo Delta, traffic 12 o'clock, about 4 miles, appears to be turning westbound 2,000, unverified type unknown.
6 Romeo Delta, we don't have the traffic inside, we'll be looking. Is that cool, Kavya? Welcome back. We had a great trip to Hilton Head.
It was a great trip indeed, but I do wanted to warn you that Signature Flight Support raised their parking fee overnight from $26 to $46 as I was told something changed with their management over the weekend. Unfortunately, there are no other FBO options available at Hilton Head.
We are headed home right now. So I'm at 4,500 feet. It's gonna be a little bumpy today at this altitude. Unfortunately, I have to stay at this altitude today.
Let me explain. The reason is we are in the braking period for one of the cylinders and are required to stay below 5,000 feet and maintain at high RPM than normal. By the way, if you like my videos, be sure to like and subscribe and support me by buying Flying Ice pilot glasses using the link in the description. As a thank you, you'll get 10% off your purchase. Also check out my other affiliate links in the description.
It's been pretty bumpy, but looks like my passenger did not mind that. So we got about 28 minutes to go. Going rather slowly here because it's been so bumpy. It's not a bad day to fly. I think it would have been smoother if I had flown at 6,500. I had an issue with my G5s being totally inaccurate. Now the G5 seems to be behaving properly. So I think it has to do with the luggage, but I'm still not sure what caused it. Maybe I had some stuff on the head shelf. But thinking of maybe considering relocating. I posted on the Grumman forums on Facebook, and people suggested mounting the magnetometer, which is located behind the luggage compartment on the wingtip. So let me know if you have any experience with the G5 magnetometer locations. So put it in the comments below.
PDK, one Delta, Atlanta approach, altimeter 3013.
Good thing it's relatively a short flight, and before I knew, I was talking to Atlanta controllers.
November 6 Romeo Delta, contact Atlanta approach 126.907.
26.907, 6 Romeo, thank you. Atlanta approach, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, level 4500.
66 Romeo Delta, Atlanta approach for parachute and flighting 270.
6 Romeo, I will do that. Okay, the jump plane, I have the jump plane inside.
November 6 Romeo Delta, proceed on course.
Proceed on course for 6 Romeo Delta. Alright, we are landing pretty shortly.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, contact Peachtree Tower 120.9.
Contact tower for 6 Romeo, thanks for your help. Peachtree Tower, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta with you 4500.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, P3 Tower, enter the left base for 21 left, only 21 left, you clear to land.
Left base for 21 left, clear to land for 6 Romeo Delta.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, traffic on the 1.5, question 0.5 mile at the Cherokee Landing, Powell, Illinois.
6 Romeo Delta, looking for the traffic.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, you able to accept runway 21 right?
Yeah, we can take 21 right, 6 Romeo Delta.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, change to only 21 right, only 21 right, clear to land, number 2, following the Cherokee short final.
21 right for 6 Romeo Delta, follow the Cherokee.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, turn right on taxiway Foxtrot, cut the ground for 6.
Turn right on Foxtrot and what's the last thing, 6 Romeo Delta? Peachtree ground, Grumman 6 Romeo Delta going to the north ramp.
Alright, 66 Romeo Delta, Peachtree ground, north ramp, taxi Alpha Delta, cross runway 16, have a good day.
Alpha Delta cross runway 16 for 6 Romeo Delta, have a good day.
73894, runway 21 right, taxi Monitor Tower.